Good morning, students. Class number 3, Vital Statistics. Today I am going to discuss the third fertility rate, age specific fertility rate. It is measured for specified age group of females of the childbearing age. See, in the heading we have mentioned age specific. That means particular age group, specifically mentioning age group, we have to calculate the birth rate. It is measured for specified age group of females of the childbearing age. Look at there, the definition. The average number of live births occurring to 1000 women population of a specific age group in a year. In the definition, see there, two things we need to observe. One is about number of live births occurring at the same time, women population in specific age. Remember this. In GFR calculation, we have taken age compositions, but not like particular age group. We have taken complete childbearing in GFR 15 to 49. But where in ASFR, we have to take 15 to 49 childbearing, at the same time female population along with specific age groups we have to taken into consideration. Clear? See the definition once again. The average number of live births occurring to 1000 women population of a specific age group in a year. Live births divided by female population at specific age group. The formula has to be written: the number of live births in a specific age divided by female population in that particular age multiplied by 1000. So that is the formula of ASFR. Let us see once again in written format formula. Look at the formula here. ASFR equals to number of live births in a specific or specified age divided by total number of females in that particular age group multiplied by 1000. So this is the formula. ASFR equals to number of live births in a specified age divided by total number of females in that age group multiplied by 1000. See here, age specific 15 to 49 childbearing we have taken. At the same time, specific age 15 to 19 calculation, 20 to 24 calculation, 40, so on 45 to 49 calculation. Generally, if you observe one common point here, 15 to 19 the age, it is an inclusive type of interval. 15 is included as well as 19 is included. If you calculate, we have 5 is the width, the magnitude 5 between the age groups. 15 19 5, 20 24 also 5. At the same time up to 45 to 49. Generally, ASFRs are computed for age groups of width 5 years each are called quinquennial ASFRs or ASBRs. Quinquennial. See, actually in Latin language, quinqui is nothing but 5, annual is nothing but a year, quinquennial is called it as a 5 year. So the time gap, the duration gap or the magnitude between 15 to 19 must be a 5, 20 to 24 must be a 5, at the same time 45 to 49. Generally we have taken the age group of minimum 5 quinquennial age group. The magnitude is 5 to compute ASFRs. Generally, ASFRs are computed for the age groups of with 5 years each, are called quinquennial ASBRs or ASFRs. Now, let us see the merits and demerits. It is simple to understand and easy to calculate, which we all know that always there is a common merit in all the methods almost. Very simple to understand and calculate. Just we are taking births in a specific age by female population in that particular age multiplied by 1000. It is used in computation of TFR. For calculation of TFR, this is very much useful. ASFR. So without ASFR, we cannot compute TFR, total fertility rate. Next, it can be used for comparison of fertility among the age groups in same population. It can be used for comparison of fertility among the age groups in same population. So we can compare fertility rates among the age groups from 15 to